Question number 1. Analytical engine was developed by A. Blaise Pascal, B. Charles Babbage, C. Dennis Ritchie, D. Alan Turing. Correct answer is option B. Charles Babbage. Question number 2. Which of the following is known as father of computer? A. Dennis Ritchie, B. Napier, C. Charles Babbage, D. Alan Turing. Correct answer is option C. Charles Babbage. Question number 3. The word computer has been derived from which of the following language? A. Greek, B. English, C. Hindi, D. Latin. The correct answer is option D. Latin. Question number 4. Input, output and processing devices grouped together represent an option A. Mobile device, B. Information processing cycle, C. Circuit board, D. Computer system. The correct answer is option D. Computer system. Question number 5. Punch cards were first introduced by A. Powers, B. Pascal, C. Jacquard, D. None of these. The correct answer is option C. Jacquard. Question number 6. Pascaline is also known by A. Abacus, B. Adding machine, C. Division machine, D. Difference machine. Correct answer is option B. Adding machine. Question number 7. The Napier's technology used for calculation was called A. Neptologia, B. Vivologia, C. Semiconductor, D. Rhabdologia. The correct answer is option D. Rhabdologia. Question number 8. Which of the following is the correct order of the 4 major functions of a computer? A. Process, output, input, storage, B. Input, output, process, storage, C. Process, storage, input, output, D. Input, process, output, storage. The correct answer is option D. Input, process, output, storage. Question number 9. Collecting the data and converting it into information is called A. Processing, B. Compiling, C. Importing, D. Exporting. The correct answer is option A. Processing. Question number 10. A computer cannot perform A. Input, B. Output, C. Thinking, D. Processing. Correct answer is option C. Thinking. Question number 11. A computer cannot perform which of the following function? A. Addition, B. Subtraction, C. Bake a cake, D. Division. Correct answer is option C. Bake a cake. A computer cannot perform to bake a cake. Question number 12. Part number, description and number of parts ordered are examples of A. Control, B. Output, C. Processing, D. Input. The correct answer is option C. Processing. Question number 13. Benefits of computers are A. Very fast and can store huge amount of data, B. Provides accurate output, either input is correct or not, C. Think about the processing, D. All of the above. The correct answer is option A. Very fast and can store huge amount of data. Question number 14. A collection of unprocessed item is A. Information, B. Data, C. Memory, D. Reports. The correct answer is option B. Data. Question number 15. Which among the following cycle consists of an input, processing, output and storage as its constituents? A. Processing, B. Input, C. Output, D. Data. The correct answer is option D. Data. Question number 16. The data that has been organized and presented in a meaningful fashion. A. Process, B. Software, C. Storage, D. Information. The correct answer is option D. Information. Question number 17. The steps and tasks needed to process data such as responses to questions or clicking an icon are called A. Instructions, B. Operating systems, C. Application software, D. System unit. The correct answer is option A. Instructions. Question number 18. The earliest calculating device is A. Calculator, B. Abacus, C. Differential engine, D. Analytical engine. The correct answer is option B. Abacus. Question number 19. Abacus can perform A. Addition, B. Subtraction, C. Multiplication, D. Both A and B. The correct answer is option D. Both A and B. That means abacus can perform addition and subtraction. Question number 20. Which of the following deals with the design, construction, operation and use of robots? A. Robotics, B. Artificial intelligence, C. Nanocomputer, D. Quantum computer. The correct answer is option A. Robotics.